Radio replacement interface for select non-amplified 29-bit LAN GM vehicles with 14-pin 16-pin connector. Retains all safety warning chimes when the factory radio is replaced. Provides 10-minute wrap accessory output. Interface can be quickly updated if needed from PAC website using PAC Up USB adapter. Retains all safety warning chimes when the factory radio is replaced. Provides 10-minute wrap accessory output. 14-pin 16-pin connector. Top reviews from the United States. Solved my battery drain issue from subpar Schoshe interface. I originally had a PAC GM radio interface for a previous aftermarket radio, but I ended up replacing both radio and interface, just in case the interface was dead. Turns out it was, with a cheaper grade Scosche interface, and I experienced nothing but problems for years. I finally decided to purchase a new PAC interface and I found this little gem. I don't have the BOSE stereo and I will never use Onstar, so this option was a perfect fit. After a simple swap out with that awful interface, which despite being professionally installed was still a mess, I am back to original sounding chimes and no more dead battery from the crap previous interface. I'll only trust PAC products in my future installs.